Hi everyone, wish you a very happy new year. 2024 is here and I am so excited for this year because there is so much happening in AWS in this year, and also it gives us an enormous, huge opportunity for us to earn more, learn more, and grow your business or career using with the AWS. So I'm so excited for this year. And in this video, I want to share the huge and amazing opportunities that we have in with AWS in 2024. It's always been there, but from now on, with all the changes that happened in these, in the recent times with generative AI and all the new announcements at reInvent, I believe there is a huge opportunity for everyone working on AWS or everyone related associated with AWS this year in 2024. So in today's video, I'm going to share the awesome opportunities that we have with AWS, both as an individual or as a business. If you are getting into AWS partner business in 2024, so let's dive in. So this is a slide from one of the AWS presentations, but basically the source is IDC, Worldwide Public Cloud Services Spending Guide. So they say IDC forecasts that public cloud services spend will reach $1.35 trillion by 2027. 2027 is not that far. We are in 24, so in the next 3 years it's going to reach the estimation of $1.35 trillion. That's significantly huge, right? So I mean, this is the right time to be in the cloud business, and this is the right time to be a cloud consultant. This is the right time to be a cloud beginner. If you are just passing out, a graduation and something like that, this is the right time to be a cloud engineer. So I just can't emphasize enough on the value or on the opportunities that lies ahead with AWS. So so what are the opportunities that we are going to talk about today? So I'm going to talk about two different ways of opportunities for two different types of people. One, AWS consultants, and two, AWS partners. So if you're an employee working like a cloud engineer somewhere, and you're thinking, hey, I should be making more, or I should be able to earn more, or I want to earn more, or I want to do more, or something like that, then you can just achieve the freedom from your 9 to 5 job and also earn more, and by working as an independent consultant, right? Basically quit your uh, you know day job and become an independent consultant, so you can charge your fee. And basically, if you are an employee, I mean, they charge the customer maybe like $100 an hour, or $30, $130 or $150, but what you get is really maybe $10 an hour. What it depends on where you are in your career, right? So that is how it is. But if you want to take that risk, if you want to grow some more marketing skills and things like that, and qualify with the good AWS certifications, and get yourself out there and become an independent consultant, there is a huge opportunity for you. And yes, there is always a risk, right? And so I took that risk. I wanted to become a partner. First, I started as an independent consultant, then I started the AWS Partner program, learned everything about it. Now I'm part of the AWS Partner program, the other side of this thing, right? So that's to start with, and to become an independent consultant, work with. So when you are an independent consultant, you are not tied with one particular organization. You can work with multiple partners and offer your skill set, because building a partner business is very hard, and the partners are always looking for to network with good consultants, good independent consultants who can add value in areas they lack, right? So for example, if there is a partner who specializes in in storage, and they have a requirement on, for example, let's say data lakes or something like that, redshift and things like that, they don't have those team members, well, they can't leave the opportunity there, right? So they want to collaborate, and they want to work, find someone who can work and deliver that particular requirement, right? So complete that requirement. So there is a huge opportunity if you want to take the risk and become an independent consultant and work with partners and grow get basically work on your own terms. That's one. As an AWS partner, I just can't emphasize enough on the amazing opportunity that we have in 2024 is to build a partner business by collaborating with other partners. So the AWS partner business is not easy. That's one thing I learned when I started off, right? So you can't just do it on your own like a one person. So you need to have a lot of capital. You need to have a good team. You have to build a team. So there's so many there are so many factors that come in. The easiest way to do it is to work with AWS partners and new partners, collaborate with them and build it together. So that, I mean, if you have any questions, if you have any if you want to take this leap of faith, and if you want, if you believe in yourself and want to take that step as a partner or as a consultant, reach out to me. I'll guide you, I'll help you out and I'll give you my advice on what I learned for the last 1 year, being an I mean 2 years as independent consultant, 1 year as partner member. So I learned a lot, and I am happy to share it with you. So those are the two things. But how do we build a partner business? So this is the roadmap for any partner, right? So when you are building a partner business, stage one, you first need to get to select tier. So there's something called select tier. Then the next one is called an advanced tier. So you want the advanced tier. The next stage is called, then once you get to the advanced tier, or during the advanced tier, you apply for something called a service delivery competency. So for example, if you are delivering database services to your customers, AWS database services, if you do 2 or 3 projects, you can apply for the service delivery competency and get that competency. That's the next one. Then the stage 4 is you get the migration competency. You qualify yourself saying, hey, I did 5 or 6 migrations and here's what I did, and AWS will grant you the migration competency to you. And that's stage 4. And then stage 5 is really managed service provider and DevOps competency. Either or, like either managed service provider or DevOps competency is what you need, right, for to actually become the next one stage, which is premier partner. I mean, premier partner is the pinnacle, right? So that's, you're reaching the moon, right? So that is the roadmap for any AWS partner business. And the premier partners are few. There are big companies, obviously, but uh, any business can get there, is what I believe. Any new partner can actually get there, provided they understand that partner program in and out. That's where I spent a lot of time understanding the partner program, on how to get to that level and all the ways you can do it. So yeah, if you need advice, let me know. And I'm so excited for this year, and also the AWS opportunity in general. And yeah, let's just I'll keep posting every single day. Hopefully this year, I mean, I took some time off in December because of other commitments, but now this year is going to be big, and there's going to be a lot of I'm recertifying on certain like AWS professional certification. So there's a lot for me to share this year. So let's I mean, I'll share more videos in the future, but hey, think about the huge opportunity you have ahead of you in 2024, and it's time for you to take a decision, and whether you want to build a business, or you want to become an independent consultant and earn more at the end of the day. Be happy, and enjoy the year ahead. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to post a lot of videos on AWS. Thank you very much.